Both Chrome and the Firefox browser have a bunch of pages that start with about, colon, and then a word. And I'm going to list them off to you now. I think I got them all. Pretty sure about it. If I didn't, if there's any that I missed, just feel free to leave a comment on any that I've missed. Now, before continuing, there are certain about pages that have disappeared, particularly in the Chrome browser. For example, there was one in Chrome called about, colon, internets, which showed it said don't break the tubes in the title area of the tab, and it showed a pipes screensaver from the old Windows XP days. That is gone, and unfortunately, and that's unfortunate because it was funny. But anyway, I am going to show the ones here that are known to exist and work. So we'll start off with about, colon, flags. This is the experimental section of the Chrome browser. If you go to about, colon, memory, this shows current memory usage by the browser. About, colon, histograms shows histogram data. About, colon, DNS, if you have from options use DNS prefetching to improve page load performance checked, then you'll see some information here. I don't, which is why it says it's disabled. About, colon, cache shows cache files. About, colon, plugins shows current plugins that you have running. And again, here's Google with the tubes. These are the gears that power the tubes. About, colon, version shows the current version of Chrome, which as of this recording is version 8. If you have any specific anything loaded from flags, like I have click to play loaded, it will show that in the command line flag when it launches. And about, colon, crash, which shows the aw, snap, sad folder page. Kind of funny. Now, Firefox, on the other hand, has significantly more about pages than Chrome does, that's for sure. If you start with just about, colon, and nothing, it shows the Firefox logo and a copyright notice. About plugins shows your currently installed plugins. About build config shows compiler information of how your browser was put together. And also it shows the exact source it was built from. About, colon, credits is a list of the Mozilla team that built the browser. About, colon, logo just shows a Firefox logo. About, colon, license, which is a very long web page, and I mean very long, is about all the licensing information. Yada 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 yada. It's ridiculously long. About, colon, net error just shows the default error page that Firefox would display if it encountered a net error. About, colon, rights is where it says Mozilla Firefox is free open source software built by a community of thousands. There are a few things you should know, and shows 4 bullet points on that. About, colon, crashes shows any submitted crash reports that you've sent. You can click on it to check it out, and it also says when it happened. About Mozilla. Now this is called the Book of Mozilla, as it says at the bottom right here. This is something that is very old. It has changed periodically. It's always red, as far as I know, with white text. And this goes all the way back to the Netscape days. This is very old code. If you want to know more information about the Book of Mozilla, go to the Wikipedia and search for the Book of Mozilla. There's a whole article on it. And the funny one, which is about, colon, robots, where the title bar says, Gort, Klaatu, Barada, Nikto. Welcome humans, we have come to visit you in peace and goodwill. If you click the try again button, it says please do not press again. You click it again, it goes away. That's all it basically does. But it's good that the Mozilla team has a sense of humor. Google talks about the tubes, and Mozilla likes talking about robots. So, anyway, I think that is every about page that exists for Firefox 3.6.13 and for Chrome 8. Like I said, if I missed any, feel free to post a comment. And just remember to test it with the latest version, not with prior versions, because, like I said before, there are some that have disappeared from prior build releases.